I was sent this set of RV or trailer wheel chocks and asked to give my opinion on it, make this short video. So here it goes. Here's everything you're going to get in the box. You're going to get the product itself, a tool to tighten it, a small 3-digit or it looks like a 4-digit combination lock, and another adjusting tool here. So everything you need to know about is in this one little piece of paper. It's your owner's manual, but it's pretty self-explanatory. Here's the tool you're going to need. It's got a socket here on the end. It's 8mm, so that's important because you might want to put this on an electric drill instead of doing this manually, but they do provide that in case you don't have a drill. You get 2 sets of these locks here, these 4-digit combination locks, and then they're actually even going to give you the bit that you want to use on your impact drill. This is that 8mm here, so it's pretty convenient that they give you that, so you don't even have to use your own sockets. Here's the device itself. You got 2 of them, one for each side of your RV or your trailer, whatever you're going to stabilize with these. All right, here you go. Now, these are going to fit in between the wheels on your RV or your trailer and lock them in place so that there's no rolling left and right. And the way it's going to do that is it's going to activate right here by turning this 8mm nut here. And as you loosen that up counterclockwise, the whole unit is going to expand out. It's like a big scissors jack on both ends. And as that expands out, it's going to press on your tire. It's got some flexible pieces here that are going to accommodate where you set it relative to the tires. And then you're going to be able to expand that out right to where it needs to go. And then when you're done, to secure it so that it doesn't loosen up at all, you can put this right down here, and you can put your locks in place here if you'd like. So that way you can secure this and people can't, number one, start your RV rolling, but number 2, take these out and maybe take these with them. So it's got a carry handle right here. It's got a rubber coating over it, so it makes that real easy to take it and move it into place. And that's basically it. These are how the units work. Let's go ahead and put them on my trailer that I'm going to stabilize, and I'll show you how that works. So I've got the 8mm socket on my impact drill. It's going to make this go a little faster. And then I'm just going to set the stabilizer up here between the tires. Nice and tight. Go ahead and put the securing portion on there, and then I can put my lock in here for good measure. And now we are secure, and now we're not going to roll at all. Not going to have any trouble with the stabilizing this trailer. So if we're going to be doing some work in the back here, you know, setting some things up in here we don't want to be moving around, this is going to be all you need to keep this thing stuck and not moving. So hey, I hope this was helpful. Learn a little bit more about these stabilizers and see how they work. And I hope this information was useful to you. And as always, I hope you have a great day.